Hi guys! Nakapag-order na ba ang lahat sa GFH Street Restaurant? This is Jan of your GFH Street Restaurant here in Ajman. Guys, thank you so much all for your continued support and patronage to your GFH Street Restaurant here in Ajman. And guys, for those who want to try the real happiness and satisfaction, the link of Talabat, Smiles, and Noon application is already there. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for more updates. And kung nagustuhan mo itong video na ito guys, is please like, comment, and share to show our full support to our GFH Street Restaurant here in Ajman. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding.